Learning the Chinese pinyin can be challenging for beginners, but it is definitely not difficult. I am teacher Regine from Fun Kids Chinese. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 English words and sounds that will help you remember the different Chinese pinyin tones. With me today are my 5 ninja friends. They are Ninja High, Ninja Rise, Ninja Low, Ninja Fall, and Ninja Light. This is Ninja High. Ninja High likes to pull out his sword to make a high and flat tone sound. Shing! Just like pinyin tone 1, it has a high and flat tone that goes shing, shing. Now, when Ninja High pulled out his sword and made the shing sound, Ninja Rise raised his eyebrow and asked, "What? What?" He's thinking, does he want to fight me? And just like pinyin tone 2, what has a rising tone. It goes from low to high. What? What? And when Ninja Rise asks what, Ninja Low jump in and say, uh-huh, uh-huh. That means yes, he wants to fight. Uh-huh is just like tone 3 in pinyin. It has a low sound. It goes down before coming up again. Uh-huh, uh-huh. And when Ninja Low says uh-huh, Ninja Fall jumped in and shouted, "Fight! Fight!" He's thinking, we are all ninjas, what are we waiting for? Let's fight! And in pinyin tone number 4, it's just like fight. It is powerful and aggressive. It goes from high to low, just like fight. Fight. Just when the 4 ninjas are getting ready to fight one another, they suddenly realized that Ninja Light is missing. Now, Ninja Light does not like to fight. He is a gentle ninja, but he is a powerful ninja. He can make himself invisible so that you cannot see him. And that is why he does not have a tone mark. So when the 4 ninjas asked Ninja Light to join in the fight, Ninja Light just said gently and softly, "Oh, oh." So if you put together all the 5 pinyin ninjas, they sound like this. Shing, what, uh-huh, fight. Oh. Shing, what, uh-huh, fight. Oh. How do we pronounce the different tones of the syllable ma? Let's start with tone 1. Do you still remember the sound of tone 1? Tone number 1. Shing, ma, shing, ma. Tone number 2. What, ma, what, ma. Tone number 3. Uh-huh, ma, uh-huh, ma. Tone number 4. Fight, ma, fight, ma. The light tone. Oh, ma, oh, ma. So putting them together, they sound like this. Ma, 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 ma. Again. Ma, 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 ma. Another quick example. Pa, 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 pa. There you go. You have your 5 pinyin tones. I hope our pinyin ninjas have helped you in mastering the pinyin tones today. If you're interested in downloading a chart on our pinyin ninjas, please do visit our website funkids.chinese.com. This is Teacher Regine. We'll see you in our next video.